In front of me is OSCAL C20 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to click on Security. Then tap on Screen Lock and tap on one of those login methods, pattern, PIN or password. Following that, create it and hit Next at the bottom right corner. Then repeat it to confirm it and choose Confirm. Now answer this question by selecting one of the available options and hit Done. So now when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, icons that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!